Hello everyone, welcome to your third installment of Hino Teaches. I'm your host, Joey Hinojosa, and today we'll be learning about how to add due dates to your Google assignments. Let's go. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is access the Google homepage, click on the Google Apps, and select Classroom. From there, it's going to take you to your several classrooms. Click on Educational Technology. Go to where it says Classwork, click on it, let it load, click on Create, and we're going to create a new assignment. Okay, give it a sample title. So I'm going to put sample assignment number 2. Okay, from there you're going to go to where it says due date, click on it. You're going to select the calendar. I'm going to select the 25th just to give it a different due date. So June 25th, 2021. Optional time, usually it's 11:59 p.m. We're going to change it to 5 p.m. Okay. Once you're done, verify the date. Friday, June the 25th at 5 p.m. Correct. Topic, add assignment. Now you can schedule an assignment. Okay. So if you click on it, it's going to say schedule assignment. Now this is if you want to add something and assign it and forget about it and do it later, right? But we don't want to do that. So let's click on assign. Sample assignment number 2, due June 25th at 5 p.m. That's all correct. So let's click on it. And that's it.